Greetings, Markbone. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a photo inside to Google Doc. Yes, very important. So we want to put the photo in the paragraph in Google Doc. Can be done on Microsoft Word. But since you're not familiar with Google Doc, how to insert that particular photo in the paragraph, I'm going to take you through that particular section. Alright, so this is the paragraph right here. So first and foremost, you can come right at the insert. When you click on insert, it said image. You show that you can upload for your computer. You can search from the web. You can take it from the drive. Write your photo. But there's another way you can come right up here. Notice. Right, it's a insert. If I click it, you notice it take me actually same page. So I'm gonna use right here. I'm gonna click upload from my computer so far. So I'm gonna scroll. So I'm gonna be looking at the photo. Right. So this is the photo. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna come right here. Click on it open. Now, if you notice, I have the photo right here big, right? I want to click on the photo, right? So let me bring it up, look more that I can actually see what's going on. All right, you notice? So if you notice this right here, it's a in front text. You notice behind text right here. Notice a breakout, and this one now is a wrap text, and this one's inline. So I'm gonna click on this one. Notice when I click on this one, the picture gone up, right? So I'm gonna scroll up and resize the photo. I'm putting it right at the end right here, so as I get in just the same. Alright, scroll up. Alright, if you notice, we're gonna get it up. We're actually sizing it up now. Sizing it up. Alright, scroll up. Alright, if you notice. Alright, let me take it up like this. Alright, you notice we actually come in together. If you notice the road around it so far, so I'm gonna go to the end. Alright, size it in just like that. Alright, I can actually shift it. Just the same. Alright, good. If you notice, it's actually right into the middle of paragraph. Yeah, so sometimes with my book, you might see photo in the middle of paragraph, but it kind of slightly different when you do it into Microsoft Word. So this is how you actually insert photo right here in your Google Doc. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.